States of matter overview. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter exists in different physical states: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Let's understand them one by one. 2. Solid state particle arrangement. In solids, particles are tightly packed. They stay in fixed positions. That's why solids have a fixed shape. 3. Liquid state flowing particles. In liquids, particles are close but not fixed. They slide past each other easily, so liquids can flow and change shape. 4. Gas state free motion. Gas particles are far apart. They move freely in all directions. That's why gases spread quickly. 5. Plasma state, high energy matter. Plasma is a very high energy state of matter. Particles become charged. Plasma exists in the sun and lightning. 6. Temperature effect on states. Temperature affects particle motion. Heating makes particles move faster. Cooling slows them down. Heat changes the state of matter. 7. Particle motion comparison. Solid particles move very slowly. Liquid particles move moderately. Gas particles move very fast. 8. Real-life examples. Ice is a solid. Water is a liquid. Steam is a gas. Lightning is plasma. 9. Compression difference. Gases are easy to compress. Liquids compress only a little. Solids are almost incompressible. 10. Energy gain and energy loss. When particles gain energy, they glow brighter. Their movement increases. Energy loss slows particles down. Energy controls particles. Easy, fast, and clear. Follow for more science.